Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a white background from an image in Adobe Photoshop. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So what you need to do is have Photoshop open and have an image open inside in here. Once your image is inside, you have two options. One is to duplicate the image in your layers panel. To do this, we can simply select our layer and then click Ctrl and J, which will create a duplicate, or we can simply unlock our layer by double clicking OK, and this will allow us to work on and edit our current layer. Once you've either duplicated or unlocked your layer, we're going to be coming over to the left side. We're going to be coming to our tools panel right here, and we're going to be looking for the magic wand tool. It'll be underneath your W, or if you click and open, it can be underneath the quick selection, object selection, but in this case, we're going to be looking for the magic wand tool right here. From this point, what you want to do is click to select the white background, and you notice instantly your white background will be selected. Now, depending on what color of the object you currently have on screen, in this case, it's black and white, so the contrast is really easy for Photoshop to understand. You may need to affect and adjust the tolerance to either increase it or decrease it. So to adjust the tolerance of your magic wand, you can do this at the top, and then you can simply change the number here. So lowering the tolerance will mean it will select less, and increasing it will mean it will select more. So you'll need to experiment with this depending on your image. However, usually around 30 is fine for most images, but depending on your situation, you may need to experiment here. Once your white background is selected, we simply need to click the delete key, and then the white background will be removed from your image. From this point, we can simply click Ctrl and D, which will deselect, and then your image will be remain. And just like that, you've removed your image. From this point, you can resave it as a PNG without a background, or you can bring it into any other effects or images that you would like. And it's as easy as that to remove a white background from Adobe Photoshop. I'll be showing you a more advanced technique in a future video where I show you how to do more specific things, like removing hair in a nice careful way. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.